Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, AIP system to be integrated on INS Khanderi. The Indian Navy is set to achieve a significant milestone in its quest for maritime self-reliance with the integration of DRDO's indigenously developed air independent propulsion, that is AIP system, on INS Khanderi, the second Calvary class diesel electric submarine. According to a top official in the defense and security establishment, the AIP system, originally planned for INS Calvary, will be fitted on INS Khanderi during its scheduled refit by July 2026, with initial sea trials expected between March and April 2027 and full integration by July 2027. Developed in collaboration with industry partners L&T and Thermax, this fuel cell-based AIP system marks a critical advancement in India's submarine capabilities, enhancing stealth, endurance, and operational flexibility in the Indian Ocean region. Next, Make in India RTA-90 program. India's ambitious regional transport aircraft, that is RTA-90 program, spearheaded by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, is gaining significant momentum as a cornerstone of the Make in India initiative, aimed at developing a 90-seat turboprop aircraft to bolster regional connectivity and reduce reliance on foreign manufacturers. The RTA-90 has attracted interest from the Indian Air Force and potentially the Indian Navy. According to sources, IAF has expressed its willingness to become the first customer for the RTA-90, committing to initial orders to jumpstart the program once it receives official sanction, expected by 2026. Next, AMCA's Mk2's new engine. India's ambitious advanced medium combat aircraft program, aimed at developing a fifth-generation stealth fighter for the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy, has taken a significant step forward with the selection of the France Safran as the partner for co-developing a new 120 kN thrust engine for AMCA Mk2. This engine, designed to achieve a thrust-to-weight ratio of 10:1, represents a leap in India's pursuit of self-reliance in aerospace technology, with the AMCA's Mk2 expected to have a maximum takeoff weight of 25 tons. This explores the engine's specification, its performance implications for the AMCA Mk2. The AMCA Mk2, the second phase of India's fifth-generation fighter program, will be powered by two custom-designed 120 kN thrust class engines, co-developed by Safran and India's GTRE under the DRDO. This engine, distinct from Safran's M88-2, that was 75 kN, used in the Dassault Rafale, is a clean sheet design tailored to meet the AMCA stealth super cruise and high performance requirement. Next, the DRDO's 1500 HP automatic transmission. In a major boost to India's indigenous armored vehicle programs, Larsen & Toubro has been selected as the development cum production partner for the manufacture of state-of-the-art 1500 horsepower automatic transmission system, developed by the Combat Vehicle Research and Development Establishment of the DRDO. The 1500 HP automatic transmission is a critical subsystem designed to power next-generation main battle tanks and heavy armored fighting vehicles. Its development aligns with India's effort to reduce dependence on foreign supplies and create a fully indigenous drivetrain solution. Next, perimeter intrusion detection system along the LOC. In a significant step toward bolstering border security, the Indian Army is actively deploying advanced perimeter intrusion detection system along the line of control with Pakistan. This initiative aims to strengthen surveillance, prevent unauthorized crossing, and counter infiltration attempts in one of the most volatile and strategically critical regions in the world. The line of control, a 740-kilometer de facto border separating Indian administered Jammu and Kashmir from Pakistan administered territories. Next. First airdrop test for Gaganyaan parachute system. ISRO on Sunday successfully carried out the first integrated airdrop system to validate the parachute-based deceleration system for the upcoming Gaganyaan mission. An ISRO official told PTI that the end-to-end demonstration was conducted near Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. The exercise was jointly executed by ISRO and Indian Air Force, DRDO, the Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. Next. NTPC to kick off work for new nuclear plant in Rajasthan. Government-owned power giant NTPC Limited will kick off its foray into nuclear power with the laying of the foundation stone for the construction of a 2,800 megawatt nuclear power plant at Banswara in Rajasthan next month. The company's chairman and managing director Gurdeep Singh said here on Sunday. The project will comprise 4 pressurized heavy water reactors of 700 megawatt capacity each. Next. Tapas BH-201 set for first flight with indigenous engine. In a significant update on India's indigenous defense capabilities, the Aeronautical Development Establishment, a premier laboratory under the DRDO, has informed the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defense that the Tapas BH-201, a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, is scheduled to undertake its first flight with an indigenous engine within the next 2 months. Next. Safran GTRE's engine with 2100 K turbine entry temperature. India's quest for self-reliance in advanced aerospace technology has achieved a significant milestone with the collaboration between France Safran Aircraft Engine and the India's Gas Turbine Research Establishment to develop a new 129 KN thrust engine for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft MK2 and the twin-engine deck-based fighter, that is TEDBF. This engine, featuring a turbine entry temperature of 2100 K, represents a cutting-edge advancement in propulsion technology, promising to enhance the performance of India's 5th-generation stealth fighter and naval platform. Next. India to hold IPR for indigenous 120 KN engine. In a significant stride towards self-reliance in aerospace technology, India is set to develop a 120 KN jet engine retaining full intellectual property rights, that is IPR, and establishing a complete domestic supply chain. This ambitious program, undertaken as a sanctioned initiative, underscores India's commitment to bolstering its indigenous defense and aerospace capabilities along with the Make in India vision. The 120 KN engine, designed to deliver a thrust of approximately 12 tons, is poised to power advanced military aircraft including next-generation fighter jet and potentially the MK, India's 5th-generation stealth fighter. Thank you.